welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a reliable way to protect yourself on the road with crystal clear recording and all-round coverage, the TECXERLLON dashcam front and rear might be exactly what you need. Designed for everyday drivers, commuters, and rideshare users, this dashcam delivers full HD clarity, smart safety features, and effortless installation, giving you peace of mind every time you start the engine. Ultra HD 4K front 2K rear recording. This dashcam supports dual-channel simultaneous recording, capturing both front and rear footage. The front dashcam records in stunning 3840x2160p resolution, while the rear camera delivers crisp 2560x1440p clarity, ensuring detailed coverage of the road ahead and behind. Seamless loop recording G-sensor protection. Pre-installed with a 64GB SD card, the dashcam is ready to record right out of the box. Loop recording ensures continuous coverage by overwriting the oldest footage, while the built-in G-sensor automatically detects sudden braking, collisions, or impacts, instantly locking and protecting video clips from being overwritten. Super Starlight Night Vision. Equipped with a Starvis image sensor and an f1.8 large aperture, the dash camera significantly enhances light intake for vivid, detailed footage even in low-light conditions. Advanced WDR technology balances bright and dark areas, suppressing glare from headlights while preserving key details like license plates and road signs. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi GPS tracking. Connect effortlessly via 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi to instantly view, manage, and download recordings directly to your iOS or Android device. Share important moments on social media or with insurance providers in just a few taps. The integrated GPS module logs precise driving routes, location, and speed. 24/7 parking monitoring. Keep your vehicle protected around the clock. Using time-lapse recording and impact-triggered G-sensor activation, the dashcam continuously monitors your car whether parked in driveways, lots, or streets. If a collision or theft attempt is detected, it automatically starts recording and secures the footage. The TECXERLLON dashcam front and rear. From crystal clear video quality to dependable dual camera coverage and helpful safety features, this dash cam is built to capture every moment on the road. If you want a simple, affordable, and trustworthy upgrade for your vehicle, this one is definitely worth considering. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.